Before progress becomes history, it passes through the hands that dared to build it. For 100 years, Bosch has equipped countless hands to go further. Empowering the hands that make our journeys safer. Hands that shape the infrastructure, propelling the Philippine industries forward to bring world-class service. And hands that make every house feel like home. For 100 years, Bosch stood behind the Filipinos who had a hand in building a nation. Empowering generations of mechanics who enable people to go places. Builders who shape homes, businesses, and progress. Talents who keep us safe and ready to serve the world. And homemakers who welcome every hardworking Filipino back home. A hopeful and brighter tomorrow dawns today through knowledge, skill, and Bosch technologies passed on to the hands of a new generation of builders, makers, and dreamers. Together, we celebrate the skilled, masterful hands of the Filipino, empowered by Bosch.